Okay, so for question 1, let's ask, are the following pairs of triangles similar or not? Is hulle gelykvormig of nie? Okay, so gelykvormigheid moet ons of kyk vir hoeke wat dieselfde is, angle, 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 of ons moet kyk die sye in verhouding. Okay, sides in proportion. So ons moet een van daai toe kyk. One of those two must be true. Okay, so let's check for number A. We have 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. 60, 60, 60. Sharp. So angle, angle, angle is definitely there. Okay, hoek, hoek, hoek is definitief daar. Okay, kom ons maak dit seker dat die sye ook. 4, 4, 4, lekker, ons weet gelyksydige driehoek. Equilateral triangle. Then, whatever the scale factor might be, it must be the same for all sides. Okay, so vir elke sy moet dit dieselfde skaalfaktor K. Ons gaan nou kyk wat is dit. Okay, so groot is. Tussen 60 en 60 grade, almal is dit, okay? Hulle moet dieselfde wees, 8, 8, 8, yes. En is dit maal 2 maal 2 maal 2? Yes, scale factor of 2 for all the sides. Okay, so as ons dit sou uitskryf, sou ons gesê het AC op DF is 4 op 8 is half. Okay, and then we got that one and that one. CB op FE is 4 op 8 is half. And we got AB over DE, and we got 4 over 8 equals a half. Do you agree that they are the same ratio? Do you agree if we flip every one of those ratios? From this one, we went this one on top of this one. So this is half of this. Does that make sense? If we swap it around like we did first, we would say 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this guy is twice as large as this one. Okay? Skaalfaktor soontoe is 2 keer vergroot, so hy is 2 keer so groot soos hy. Ons het hierso nou gekry, onderste bo, dis sê hy is 2 keer so klein soos hy, maar al die sye is daai selfde skaalfaktor. So hy is verseker kongruent. So ons skryf hom, we write it, triangle ABC is gelykvormig, similar. And how does that sign look? 3 upright stripes. Similar. Okay, gelykvormig. Okay, similar. Gelykvormig. Upright stripes, 3 of them. 2 triangle DEF. DEF. They are definitely similar. Gelykvormig. Okay, let's check for the next one. Number B. Now they don't give us angles, they only give us sides. So we can't go with angle, angle, angle. Kan nie met hoek, hoek, hoek gaan nie. Ons moet met sye in verhouding gaan. So kom ons kyk. Dit lyk min of meer soos 'n reghoekige driehoek. So kom ons gaan met die klein sytjies. JKTR 3 op 6. Kyk, kom ons skryf hom. Kom ons skryf. JK op TR is 3 op 6 en dit gee vir ons 'n half. Okay, so hierdie sy is die helfte van die lengte van hierdie sy. KL. KL op RS geef my 4 op 8 en is definitief ook 'n half. Okay, so JL en TS. JL op TS must also be 5 over 10 gives me a half. Definitely sides in proportion of sye in verhouding, dan sê jy definitief driehoek, JKL, JKL is gelykvormig aan driehoek, TRS. Similar. Sharp, sharp. Okay. Volgende een. Is RTE gelykvormig aan EFG? Now we must check whether it is. Okay, so they don't give us any angles. We can't go with angle, angle, angle. We have to check for sides in proportion. Okay, so therefore we have to go with, okay, let's see, RT and EF. Okay, or maybe let's go with Okay, so we want the same proportion, right? Ons soek dieselfde verhouding. Okay, so we know we are looking for multiples of 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so none of these are multiples of 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's say RT over EF is equal to 3 over 12, which is a quarter. Okay, TE op FG is 4 op 5. Is definitief nie dieselfde as 'n kwart nie. It's not a quarter. Okay, and RU over EG is 5 over 13. Is definitely not a quarter. Okay, sides not in proportion. Okay, sye nie in verhouding. Dan skryf ons hom so. Then we write it as such. Triangle RTU is not similar, is nie gelykvormig aan driehoek EFG. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. This one. Driehoek PQR is gelykvormig aan driehoek XYZ. They tell us they are definitely in similar. So we know the angles correspond and are equal, and then the sides are in proportion. So most of the time we're going to work with sides are in proportion. Okay? So now PQ, because they tell us PQ and XY, PQ and XY, they correspond. And QR and YZ, QR and YZ, they correspond. And XZ and PR, okay? XZ and PR, they correspond. All right, so let's write it. They must be in the same proportion. So PQ over XY must be the same as QR over YZ, and must be the same as PR over XZ. Let's see. PQ is 5. XY is unknown. We want it. Okay. QR is 4. YZ is 8. Okay. And the last one, PR is 8. And PR is 8 and XZ is unknown. Okay, so now, does this not look something that you've done in fractions before? Okay, how did the 4 go to 8? It doubled. So XZ must be double 8. So XZ must be 16 times 2. Okay, so 4 over 8 is definitely a half, right? Agree? Dis mos die helfte. So 5 is die helfte van wat? 5 is a half of what? Must be 10. Okay, centimeters, centimeters. Sharp, sharp.